Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a task in Salesforce CRM step by step. Whether you're new to Salesforce or have been using it for a while, mastering tasks is crucial to staying organized and keeping your workflow smooth. Let's dive right in. First, open the app launcher. That's the grid icon you see on your dashboard. This is your gateway to all Salesforce functionalities. From there, head over to the Tasks section. This is your central hub for managing everything you need to do, giving you a clear view of all your to-dos. Once you're in the Tasks section, click on New Task. A fresh interface will pop up, ready for you to fill in all the details. Start by assigning the task. In the Assign To field, you can pick an individual or a team responsible for completing it. Next, the Related To field is optional, but linking your task to an account, opportunity, or other Salesforce object adds valuable context. Now, give your task a clear subject, something concise yet descriptive like follow-up call or client meeting. Then link it to a specific person by filling in the name field with the appropriate contact or lead. Deadlines matter, so make sure to set a due date. This ensures tasks are prioritized and nothing slips through the cracks. If you have extra details, use the comments section to include notes that can guide task completion. Next, update the status to reflect progress, whether it's not started, in progress, or completed. Don't forget to set the priority to low, normal, or high, helping you and your team focus on what's most urgent. Finally, hit save. This records all your information and integrates the task seamlessly into your Salesforce ecosystem. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can create tasks efficiently, keep your team on track, and make sure nothing gets overlooked. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tricks.